Yeah, in this video, I will show how to integrate LVM concept to Hadoop. So first we'll configure Hadoop. This we can see that there is no live node present. So first we'll connect one slave node to this name node. For this we'll use this Hadoop command. Uh, we can say Hadoop, and then, yeah. We are starting the data node. Now if we'll refresh this page, yeah, there is one live node present. And we can see that configured capacity is 9.99 GB. That is the actual storage of this. If we go to DF, you can see that this is the 10 GB storage which we are getting configured here. Now there is a condition arise. What if we want more storage than this, or we want less storage than this, because we have to save space, right? Or we have to increase the capacity in real time. Then how we can do? For this, what we'll check first, we'll go to Hadoop. Now we'll go to SDFS site file. Here we can see that L1 is the directory in which, from which slash folder there is an L1 directory from which this is getting the 10 GB space. Now what we'll do, I will come to my home. I will go to slash EC2 user. Yeah. Here we can see that there is a Python file lvm.py, which is this one. This I written the code for automating the thing, in which we can directly configure LVM to our Hadoop without writing all the code, everything. So for this, what I'll do, I will write Python lvm.py. Yeah, I will run this. This is the menu. First, we'll configure a new LVM storage. Second one option is increase the size of LVM storage, reduce the size of LVM storage, mount the newly created storage. Uh, by fifth option, we can say to see all the mounted disks, to display volume group, to display logical volume, all hard drive disk connected to system. So first we'll check the to see all the mounted disks. If I'll press 5, we can see this all the mounted disks are there. And if we'll again press continue, and if we'll want to see all hard drive attached to this, we can see that there are two hard drive attached, 8 GB and 4 GB. Now if we'll configure this 12 GB storage to our Hadoop, how can we do this? So for first we have to configure a new LVM storage. We have to press 1. Yeah, now it is showing enter the number of pen drive or hard drive you want to join. We are want to joining this two pen drive storage, 8 GB plus 4 GB, so we will get 12 GB storage. So for this, what we have to do, press 2. Now the storage name, first storage name is dev slash xbdf. Now second storage name is dev slash xbdg. From here we are getting, okay. Now we will press enter. uh, if we want to, what we want to keep the volume graph name, I am keeping IECVG. Press enter. uh, See, volume group created with 12 GB capacity. Now we have to write the enter the logical volume size you want to create. If you want 7 GB storage to create, then I will write 7. Logical volume name, I am writing my LV1. I'm pressing enter. I'm pressing Y. Yeah. See, we can see here LB size of 7 GB is created. Now we'll attach this. For this, we'll go to our mounted disk, 4 option, mount on the newly created storage. 4. Enter the name of the mounting directory. We have to mount in slash L1 folder, because our Hadoop is configured on L1 folder only. Now I will write the BG name, IEC BG, what I have chosen there. My LV name was my LV1. If this is new LVM storage, we have to press yes. Yeah, this is the new LVM storage, that we are pressing yes. Else we can press here no. Yes. Now I will create a new partition and primary partition. Then I will keep enter. Yeah, now we are pressing W for quitting this. Now we have to format. So for format we have writing this folder div iecbg slash my lv1. This is your lv name. I'm keeping this. Proceed anyway. Yeah, I'm formatting it. Yeah, it's formatted, and where we can see that 7 GB storage attached to the L1 folder. Now if I will refresh this page, we can see now configured capacity is 10 GB, but if we'll refresh this, we can see that configured capacity is 7 GB. Now what if we want to increase the size from 7 GB to 11 GB? Then what we have to do? Nothing, just we have to press the to increase the size of LVM storage. Enter the name of the volume group. Our volume group was IACBG. Logical volume group was my LV1. Yeah. Now we can see that we have free space of 5 GB and configured space of 7 GB. Now we want 4 GB more. What will type? I will keep 4 GB more. I want. It's okay. All done. We have done nothing. Now if we will refresh the page, we can see that configure capacity will be 11 GB. In one click, we increased our size from 7 GB to 11 GB. Now what if you want to reduce the size? If you don't want to consume more spaces from pen drive, then we will reduce the size. For reducing the size, we will keep 3, press 3, enter the name of the volume group. Again we will write ICBG. Now logical volume, again I will type my LV1. Mounted drive location was /L1. We are using this for our Hadoop storage. Now we can see that logical volume size was 11 GB. I want to reduce this to 5 GB, or I want to reduce this to 4 GB. Means I want configure capacity should be only 4 GB. Then what I will do? I will write 4. It's first stopping the data node for safety purpose, so our no data can be lost. Yeah, it is asking, do you really want to reduce? Press Y. Yeah, all done. It's reduced. If we'll refresh this, then we can see that configure capacity is 4 GB. By just a single click, we can do all the function. Now if you want to see again, to see all the mounted is, press 5. Then you can see it is 4 GB. Then again, if you want to increase the LVM storage, uh, LVM storage, uh, I will again write ICBG. Logical volume group was my LV1. We can write any logical name, that no problem. Yeah. Now we can see that free size is 8 GB, means we can increase up to 8 GB more. Then I want to increase 5 GB more. Then what I have to do? Enter the storage you want to move 5. That's all. 4 GB, previous it was 4 GB, 3.87. Now if you are adding 5 GB more, then it should be 9. Yeah, it is 8.8 GB, that is 9. So thank you. That's all with this Python script. I will keep this Python in this my GitHub. You can refer from this. Thank you.